Is your Zanussi dishwasher not draining properly? This is actually one of the most common dishwasher problems, but the good news is that most drainage issues can be diagnosed and fixed without calling a professional repair service. First, check your dishwasher's display panel for any error codes. The most common drainage-related codes are I-20 for water not draining properly, I-30 when the anti-flood system activates, I-50 indicating a wash pump motor fault, and IF0 which signals an overflow or leak detection. Understanding the root causes helps with diagnosis. Filter blockages account for 65% of drainage issues, making them the most common problem. Pump malfunctions cause 20% of cases, while hose kinks or blockages account for 10%, and installation-related problems make up the remaining 5%. Start your diagnosis by checking for standing water in the dishwasher tub. If water remains after a complete cycle, this confirms a drainage problem that needs immediate attention. Next, inspect the filter system at the bottom of your dishwasher. Remove the bottom dish rack to access the cylindrical filter. As you can see in this image, filters can become heavily clogged with food debris, which blocks proper water drainage. Examine the drain hose configuration under your sink. The hose should form a high loop as shown in this diagram. This prevents dirty water from backing up into your dishwasher. Also check for any kinks, bends, or blockages in the hose that could restrict water flow. Finally, run a drain cycle and listen carefully for unusual noises from the pump. Normal operation should produce a steady humming sound. Grinding, clicking, or complete silence may indicate pump problems that require further investigation or professional repair. Once you've completed these diagnostic steps and identified the likely cause of your drainage problem, you'll be ready to move on to the specific repair procedures for cleaning filters and inspecting the drain pump system. Before beginning any dishwasher repair, safety is paramount. Always disconnect both the power supply and water supply to prevent electrical shock or water damage during the repair process. Step 1. Remove the bottom dish rack to access the filter system. This will give you clear access to the dishwasher's drainage components located at the bottom of the tub. Step 2. Locate and unscrew the cylindrical filter at the bottom of the dishwasher. Turn it counterclockwise to remove it. Then lift out both the coarse filter and fine mesh filter components. Step 3. Clean all filter components thoroughly. You'll be working with 3 types of filters: the microfine filter, coarse filter, and fine mesh filter. Rinse each under warm running water and use a soft brush to remove stubborn debris. Step 4. Reinstall the filters in reverse order. Start with the fine mesh filter, then the coarse filter, and finally screw the cylindrical filter back in place by turning it clockwise until secure. If cleaning the filters doesn't resolve the drainage issue, the next step is to inspect the drain pump. This requires accessing the pump housing, which is typically located behind the front panel of the dishwasher. Step 5. Access the pump housing. Remove the front panel of the dishwasher to reach the drain pump assembly. The pump is usually located at the bottom of the unit and may require removing additional components for full access. Step 6. Inspect the pump impeller for debris. Look for visible foreign objects like food particles, broken glass, or small utensils that may be blocking the impeller. Use needle nose pliers to carefully remove any debris you find. Step 7. Test the pump motor with a multimeter. Set the multimeter to continuity mode and test the motor windings. If the multimeter shows no continuity, the pump motor has failed and needs replacement. Remember, regular monthly filter cleaning can prevent 90% of drainage issues. This simple maintenance routine will keep your Zanussi dishwasher running efficiently and extend its lifespan significantly.